So in general, allergy shots, name me 2 or 3 reasons you should take them. They'd
Allergy shots are the one therapy that will treat the allergy and not just the symptoms. So you're helping the immune system build immunologic tolerance so that when you encounter these things in the environment, your body's not producing the same hypersensitivity reaction that it was before.
Almost makes the allergy go away. We call it tolerance.
Right.
One other reason?
It will reduce the risk that patients either will develop asthma, or if patients already have asthma, it will help keep it from getting worse.
How long do people need to be on allergy shots?
Really, patients should try to stay on their shots for a minimum of 3 years to have best chances for long-term success with the shots.
How quick can people start feeling better from shots?
We say that patients should really have been on shots for at least a couple of months on maintenance dosing to notice improvement. I have a lot of patients that feel like they immediately start to notice improvement in their symptoms, and I have to assume some of that is placebo effect. But
What does placebo effect mean?
it's where you know that you're on shots and you're expecting that you feel better.
And so you do feel
And
better.
so you do.
Now, what is maintenance dose?
Maintenance dose is the dose you're on long term. We have to start patients at a very small starting dose and gradually build up to minimize the risk of the allergic reaction that we talked about before.
And once they get to that maintenance dose,
That's what they stay on long term.
at the end of 3 years, how do you make it? How can you tell? Do you reskin test somebody?
I don't reskin test people, but there are a couple of things I'll look at. Number one, have you been able to stop a lot of the other allergy medicines? Do you still need a nose spray every day? If you do, you may not do as well coming off shots altogether. Have you been able to space out your shots? If you can't go more than 2 weeks without getting an allergy shot, you're probably not going to do well coming off of them altogether.